Hello and welcome to the video on Power BI. In this video on Power BI, let us understand how do we display hyperlinks to tables and matrices. Let's start. For the purpose of showing hyperlinks in tables and matrices, I have created the following dataset. And this dataset has 5 columns in it. They are serial number, name, email, company URL, and column 1. Company URL is the dummy URL as you can see from here, and column 1 differs from company URL by just a HTTP colon double slash. Now let's add these things to a table. So by adding these columns to a table, you can see that they are by default getting added as a text item. I'm just increasing the size of the values so that it is much clearly visible. So you can see from here that all the columns are being displayed as tables, but the requirement is that my columns, that is the URLs, should be shown as a hyperlink. So for this purpose, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change the data category of these columns. Here, when I click on the data category drop down, you can see that there are different data categories available. I'm just changing the column 1 data category to web URL. Similarly, I'm also changing the company URLs data category to web URL. Now, as you can see in my table, my column 1 is getting displayed as a hyperlink, while my company URL is still being displayed as a text. So from this you can also understand the difference that Power BI does not change any text into a hyperlink. It just looks for something called HTTP colon double slash or HTTPS colon double slash, and that's the reason while after changing the data category web URL, even then only my column 1 is getting displayed as hyperlink, while my company URL is not getting displayed as a hyperlink. It is still just a text. So this can also be seen in a matrix. That is, this works the same way in a matrix as well. Now I'm adding my name into a rows and my column 1 into columns, and I'm just adding my serial number as a value. In addition to this, I'm also adding company URL to the columns so that I can show it in a much clearer way. As I focus on this, I can understand that my company URL is still being displayed as a text here, while my column 1 is getting displayed as a hyperlink. And as you can see here, my name is being displayed as a row. This cross tab doesn't make any meaning or doesn't have any sense, but then just for displaying purpose, this dataset seems to be enough. That's all in this part of the video on Power BI. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.